Greetings on this beautiful Sunday. I am back with part 2 of our No Protractor series. Last time we mastered the point source. Today we are leveling up the extended source. Most students panic when the object gets bigger. But remember, an extended source is just a collection of infinitely many point sources. If you can draw one, you can draw them all. Let's build. First, the foundation. Align your ruler's markings perfectly with the lines of your ruled page to draw the mirror. Shading the non-reflecting side, non-negotiable. Now here's the hack. To draw a full object, we only need to track the extreme ends. Think of them as the anchor points of your diagram. Let's mark points A and A prime. Align your ruler's 3 cm mark with the mirror. Put a dot at 0 cm. This will be the object, and another at 6 cm. This will be the image. Pro tip: use a solid line for reality in front and a dotted line for the virtual path behind. Repeat this for points B and B prime, 2 to 3 lines below. This time, let's align the 4 cm mark and dot at 0 cm and 8 cm. Why the specific distances? If you missed the logic in my last video, stop right now and watch that first. Link is in the description. Draw a solid arrow between your front dots, that's object AB. And a dotted arrow between the back dots, that's image A prime B prime. Because we have locked in the extremes with 100% certainty, every other point in between must fall into place. It's physics, not magic. Now we draw the eye. Why now? Because the eye is what dictates the rays we actually see. The eye sees the whole image. Draw the paths from the image points to the eye as if they were real. Where these paths hit the mirror, those are your action points. Join this back to your object to complete the incident rays. Now, mark the normal incidences, the inclined incidences, the reflections, label your points, label the eye, write the caption. And there it is, a flawless diagram without touching a protector. Here is your finished masterpiece. But before you go, I have a challenge for you. We know that when light rays converge, we get a real image. Does that mean if we place a physical screen at these intersection points, real images will actually appear? Think like a master builder and comment your logic below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Soumik Global. See you in the next lesson. Bye.